Are you aware that the toxic, expensive toilet cleaner you're using is actually making your toilet harder to clean, damaging the porcelain, and polluting your home with dangerous fumes? What if there's a natural method that works better, costs almost nothing, and takes less time? I ditched commercial toilet cleaner 6 months ago, and my toilet is cleaner than it's ever been. Stay with me, because this revelation will change your bathroom cleaning forever. The toxic cycle we're trapped in. Let's talk about something we don't discuss enough. That toilet cleaner bottle under your sink with warning labels covering half of it. Danger, corrosive, causes severe burns, fatal if swallowed, harmful if inhaled. Keep away from children and pets. These aren't exaggerations. These are genuine hazards you're introducing into your bathroom every single time you clean. And here's the worst part. You think you need it. You've been convinced that toilets require harsh, dangerous chemicals to stay clean. But that's a lie. The natural solution that actually works. Here's the method that eliminated toxic cleaners from my life forever. 2 ingredients: white vinegar and baking soda. Not mixed together first, but used in sequence. Pour 1 cup of baking soda directly into the toilet bowl. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Then add 2 cups of white vinegar. You'll see immediate fizzing as they react chemically. This reaction creates carbon dioxide, which agitates and lifts stains. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Scrub lightly with a toilet brush. Flush. Your toilet will be spotless. But here's what makes this method superior to commercial cleaners. Baking soda is a mild abrasive that scrubs without scratching. Vinegar is acetic acid that dissolves mineral deposits and kills bacteria naturally. Together, they tackle both stain removal and disinfection. And the best part? 0 toxic fumes. 0 skin irritation if you accidentally touch it. 0 danger to children or pets. You could literally eat these ingredients. That's how safe they are. Compare that to commercial cleaners that require the long-term transformation. 6 months into using only natural toilet cleaning, the benefits extend far beyond just avoiding toxic chemicals. My toilet actually stays cleaner longer. Why? Because commercial cleaners often contain harsh acids that can etch porcelain over time, creating tiny scratches where stains can grip. Natural cleaning avoids this damage. The smooth porcelain surface repels stains better. I'm cleaning less frequently and achieving better results. That's the definition of winning. The cost difference is staggering. A bottle of commercial toilet cleaner costs approximately $4 to $7 and lasts maybe 1 month, a cost of $48 to $84 per year. A box of baking soda costs about $2. A bottle of vinegar costs about $3 for the large bottle, for a combined cost of $5. And together, they last me 3 to 4 months of weekly cleaning. I'm spending $5 every 3 months instead of $4 to $7 monthly, for a yearly cost of $20. That's annual savings of $28 to $64 just on toilet cleaner. Multiply that by every cleaning product you could replace with natural alternatives, and you're saving hundreds. The prevention strategy. Here's the advanced technique that took my toilet maintenance to the next level. Once your toilet is clean, using the natural method, maintain it with weekly vinegar-only treatments. Every week, pour 2 cups of white vinegar into the bowl. Let it sit overnight. Scrub lightly in the morning and flush. This prevents buildup entirely. Stains never have a chance to set. You're maintaining cleanliness instead of fighting severe buildup. This weekly prevention means I only need to do the full baking soda and vinegar deep clean monthly instead of weekly. And for hard water stains that are already set in, I discovered an additional trick. Pumice stone designed specifically for toilets. Wet the stone and the stain, then gently rub. The pumice is softer than porcelain, but harder than mineral deposits, so it removes stains without scratching. Combined with the vinegar treatment, even the most stubborn ring disappears. I removed a brown waterline stain that had been there for 2 years using this combination. That's why you should ditch toxic toilet cleaner and switch to baking soda and vinegar. Safer, cheaper, more effective, and better for your toilet long term. If this just convinced you to try natural toilet cleaning, smash that like button right now. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more natural cleaning revelations. Share this with anyone still using toxic cleaners. Comment if you're making the switch today. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay safe, clean naturally, and protect your health while achieving spotless results.